Video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Star Wars Jedi Survivor on PC or laptop. So to install Star Wars Jedi Survivor on PC, you have to first of all install Steam. Only through Steam you could access the game. So type in steampowered.com and make sure to install Steam on your application. Now the installation process is very simple. Just press on install Steam and follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have successfully installed the app. When you're done installing the application, then you have to go and log in or create an account. And once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from here go to stores. As you click on it, it's going to take you to the store center page, and here go ahead and type in the name of the game that you're looking for. That is Star Wars Jedi Survivor. Go ahead and type in that. When you type in the following name, you will be able to see this sort of interface. So you're going to click on select the subscription or go to add to cart. When you do this, it's going to take you to the payment section page where you have to go ahead and enter in your card details and all that and proceed to the checkout. So in this way, you could go ahead and download and install Star Wars Jedi Survivor on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.